Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to Polka 1.1 billion chat model. This is one of the prettiest model I have seen so far because not only it is bilingual, it speaks one of the beautiful language of the world, which is Polish. So this Polka model is the first Polish model trained to act as a helpful conversational assistant that can be run locally, and in this video I will show you how you can get it installed locally on your Windows laptop. I will be using 1 GPU of 16 GPU of VRAM, but due to the smallish size of this model you can even run inference or chat on the CPU. This model is based on Tiny Llama 1.1 billion with a custom extended tokenizer for more efficient Polish text generation that was additionally pre-trained on 5.7 billion tokens. It was then fine-tuned around 16,000 synthetically generated and machine translated multi-turn conversations with the direct preference optimization performed on top of it. If you don't know what preference optimization is, let me give you a very quick overview. DPO, in very simple words, is a fine tuning method where it is applied to the machine learning models or LLMs to align the output of the model with the preferences or desired outcome of the user. Instead of merely improving the model's accuracy on a fixed data set, DPO fine tuning adjusts the model based on direct feedback about which predictions or decisions are most preferable or beneficial according to the user's needs. This method ensures the model performance is tailored to deliver results that better satisfy specific, often subjective criteria or goals. Okay, now enough with this theoretical implementation. Just on the Polka one, so Polka 1.1 billion is released in base model flavor with an extended tokenizer and additional pre-training on Polish corpus sampled using DSIR, and they also have Polka pre-trained and PLV1, which is a pre-training dataset. They also have released Polka DPO version 1, which is a dataset of DPO pairs, which I just described, and they also have released it in the GGUF context format, which we will be using today on the Windows laptop. Okay, now this is LM Studio, the tool which I am going to use to install this on my local system. If you don't know what LM Studio is, then I have various videos where I go into the detail as what exactly is LM Studio. Okay, now launch LM Studio, then type Polka here, press enter, and you can see that we have this GGUF format. You can download any of the quantization level. I already have downloaded this Q5KM. Q5 is a quantization level, K is for knowledge distillation, and M is the medium size. Click on this folder icon on the left and you can see that it is already downloaded. Click on these three dots, and from here let me first offload 40 layers to GPU because that is what I always prefer to do in order to speed it up. And then from the middle, let's load the model. Let's wait for the model to load. And on the top left you can keep an eye on your resource usage. You can see that it is just consuming under 1 GB of my RAM. Okay, let me drag this down a bit. Let me ask it few questions first in English. So here I'm asking it, in a room I have only 3 girls. Susan is reading a book, Amanda is playing. Okay, let me bring it bit down. I think this is not being shown. Okay, so sorry about that. So you can simply download load the model from by clicking here, and this is what I resource usage I was talking about. Anyway, so this is my prompt, that in a room I have only 3 girls. Susan is reading a book, Amanda is playing a match of chess. What the third girl Riley is doing? It is saying that second girl Riley is chasing Amanda with her cat. I'm sorry, I can't fulfill that request. So model got confused here. Anyway, no problem. Let me ask a bit simpler question. So I'm asking it, which one came first, egg or chicken? Explain it to a 6-year-old. And it's saying to the 6-year-old children, the translation is that egg is white and chicken is white. Okay, so let's see what it does if I don't ask it to do the 6-year-old one. Okay, so it is still hallucinating. I'll just say regenerate. It is white chicken. White is fixated on white. There you go. So all the hallucination is happening anyway. Now let's try the same thing in the Polish. So I'm going to launch Google Translate. Now in the Google Translate, I have just translated this English sentence to Polish language. Now let's go back here and now let's type the Polish version here. Let's see if it is able to do a proper answer in Polish. Nope, still not. Okay, what I will do, I will just delete this chat from here and I will reload the model. Maybe I'll eject it, then I will reload it just to make sure it is not keeping the earlier version of chat. Okay, that's done. Now let me ask it. Okay, that is better. Cool. Let's wait for it to finish and then we will translate it back to English. Okay, I don't know what that is doing, but let's see. Okay, it is going on and on and on. Okay, I'll just stop it. I'll go up and see what exactly it is doing. Doesn't seem like it is doing much, but anyway, let's translate this stuff to see what it is saying. I'll just go here, I'll replace it with this. Okay, so it is, what sort of chicken is it? Nope. The weight of this piece of chicken is 1.5 kg. Okay, doesn't seem like a good response to me. I would say that is a fail as far as model is concerned. Anyway, let me ask it another question. So I'm going to ask it a simple question. Let's see if it is able to do that. So I'll just remove this. I'm going to ask it a bit of a toxic question, that how can I be the most unwanted person in any gathering for sure. Let's copy the Polish one. Let's ask it here. Let's see if it is able to do that or not. Why it is still fixated on 1.5 kg? That is crazy. Okay, let me copy, go back to Google Translate, reverse it and then put it here. Okay. You can see that it is totally hallucinating, totally false stuff. So it seems that the fine tuning has not been done properly. Okay, I was really hoping, because Polish is a beautiful language, I was hoping to get something good in the Polish. Let me try one more thing. I'm going to ask it a very simple question. What is the capital of Poland in Polish? So let's see. Press enter. Okay, it doesn't seem like it, but let's see, because I was expecting Warsaw. Let's see. There you go. So a total fail in terms of model. Anyway, really, sad to see that this model doesn't work properly, and it was unable to give me any response of any quality here. So I even tried out with different system prompts and stuff, but still doesn't really work properly. Anyway, I'm not going to waste more time on this one. So this is another example where people have put out half-baked models. It seems maybe I am doing something wrong. If you know if I'm doing something wrong, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to make another video. But so far, I will say that this model doesn't work, which is a shame, because I really wanted to check out some of the Polish model. Anyway, I hope that at least you enjoyed this spectacle. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.